The eAgwell 110-volt AC to 12-volt DC converter offers seamless power conversion with its ability to switch effortlessly between 110 volts and 220 volts inputs, making it ideal for diverse applications. A standout feature is its patented design that allows for tool-free installation, providing a hassle-free experience with robust battery clips for secure connections. Safety is paramount with this power converter, which includes a comprehensive 5-point protection system, ensuring the safe operation of sensitive electronics. Its intelligent temperature control system activates a cooling fan only when necessary, ensuring quiet and efficient operation while extending the device's lifespan. The converter comes as a complete kit with dual output options, making it versatile for both temporary and permanent setups, ready to use right out of the box. With its 600-watt capacity, this power supply is perfect for a wide range of applications, from RVs and LED strips to industrial equipment, providing reliable DC power.